Let's try to live in a slightly better world. But every day when I get up, the world is inferior to what it was there yesterday. These two twins, one ended up as president of US and the other ended up as one of the most wanted anti-social element in the society. You are the people who have understood and you must have a commitment towards this concept and what Professor Samanta must have initiated. If it gets spread, then you can yourself imagine how beautiful the life will be.
ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾಂತಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಸಂತೋಷವನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸುವ ಧ್ಯೇಯ ಹೊಂದಿರುವ ಆರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ನ 13ನೇ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕೋತ್ಸವವು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಭವನದಲ್ಲಿ ದಿನಾಂಕ 17 ಮೇ 2026ರಂದು ವಿಜೃಂಭಣೆಯಿಂದ ಜರುಗಿತು.
It has been great. It has been very, very great. ನನಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಾಮಂತ ಸಾಬ್ಗೆ ಸುಮಾರು 25 ವರ್ಷ ಹಿಂದೆ ಪರಿಚಯ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. This art of giving, the civilization has come to a stage where we have to talk about art of giving. It's extremely embarrassing and disappointing. These are the qualities which should have been innate in a human life, but as such we have come to a situation where we have to talk about that. And most of us, people like me, we just talk. I don't practice. It's the sheer fact that ತಾವೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಈಗ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಿ, this is another layer where we should not talk because you are the people who have understood and you must have a commitment towards this concept and what Professor Samanta must have initiated. If it gets spread, then you can yourself imagine how beautiful the life will be. Most of us, sorry for talking personal, sir, I retired 2 years back. I have done everything in my life. Nothing is left. If this very second I die, that is the end of it. I lost my parents, so I have no commitment left to my parents. Health has been good, money has been there, children have been settled, so nothing great to look forward. Only one desire, I think that desire everybody has. Let's try to live in a slightly better world. But every day when I get up, the world is inferior to what it was there yesterday. And maybe I'm so negative that I'm seeing it from that side. World might have become more beautiful, but I'm not able to relish it. Even if I'm not able to relish it, the problem is not exactly mine. The system has failed in making me feel that it is a better world to live in. I wish, I don't know, I may not see in my own lifetime. I wish the generations to come, they will certainly see a better world. When I say better world, is just a matter of sensitivity, compassion, and concern for others. Our lifestyle has its own dimensions. When people started this theory of evolution, whether it was Darwin, whether it was Weber, whether it was Spencer, they could not realize it. I'll just give you one anecdote which will give a great insight. I don't remember, there was a person in US, the they were two brothers. They were twins. So they were born of the same parents and at the same time, maybe 2 minutes or 5 minutes at a distance. So what the psychological practices say that genotype has an impact of around 70 to 80%, and the phenotype has an impact on your personality for around 20 to 30%. But how and why a person becomes a particular kind of a good man or ordinary man, these two twins, one ended up as president of US and the other ended up as one of the most wanted anti-social element in the society. So nothing can decide anything. What we decide ourselves is by me only. I may be very, very ordinary. My brother can be extraordinary. My father could have been exceptional. But let's try to decide. People like me, we have done. We have done our life. It is for the next generations, whatever 5, 10 children are here, they have to realize as to what kind of world they want to be.